Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel India Technical RKS. Today we have got a first look at one of the most feature-packed smartphones of the year running on OnePlus 13 and 13 Pro. This phone comes with some seriously impressive spaces from its stunning 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display to a massive 6000 battery mAh and triple camera of 50 megapixel. Let's dive into the very detail and see what makes this flagship a potential game changer. So first of all, we will talk about design and display. So let's start the display, which is hands down one of the best features of this device. We have got a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1440 into 3168 megapixels and a megapixel dimensity of 510 ppi. That's incredibly sharp. Plus, with 120 Hz refresh rate, everything looks super smooth from scrolling to gaming. This display is not just sharp, it's also Pro XDR certified, giving you rich contrast and vibrant colors. And it's curved for the premium look and feel. With 5000 nits of brightness, this phone performs even in the brightness sunlight. Plus, you have got the latest Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Yes, make it more resistant to drop and scratches. And for all you fans of customization, the always on display is here. Yes, featuring a variety of weights, blocks and animations. Not to forget, there is a punch holes display for the front camera, keeping the designs sleek and modern. And the second number is fingerprint sensor and connectivity. Yes, one feature that's getting a lot of attention is the in-display fingerprint sensor. It is fast, responsive and reliable, making unlocking your phone feel seamless. Whether you are using apps, payments, it works perfectly every time. Whether you are streaming, gaming or multitasking, these phones got you covered. And step 3 is performance. Yes, under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. It locking the brand new Snapdragon Elite chipset. This means you are getting top tier performance across the board. Whether you are gaming, editing videos or running intensive apps. With 12 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking like a breeze. However, I'd say that 256 of inbuilt memory is decent but could be a bit limiting if you are a heavy user. If storage is important to you, consider this when deciding. And the fourth number is camera system. Next up is the camera system. We have got a triple 50 megapixel setup on the back and it's impressive. All their lenses offer 50 resolutions, which means consistent quality no matter which lens you are using. You can shoot stunning landscapes, detailed portraits and everything in between. Video lovers will appreciate the 8K video recording at 24 fps, giving you cinema quality. And on the front, you have got a 50 megapixel camera, perfect for selfie and blogging, though it's more average compared to same higher end flagships. So at the fifth number, we are going to talk about battery and charges. Now let's talk about battery life. With a 6000 mAh battery, this phone is a beast when it comes to longevity. Yes, 6000 battery life is enough. You can easily get through a full day of heavy uses, and if you are light user, it might last even longer. And when it's time to charge, you have got 100 watt of superbook fast charging, which gets you from 0 to 100% in no time. Plus it supports 50 airbook wireless charging if you need to charge up accessories or other devices. There is an 10-watt reverse charging. So the sixth step is software and user experiences. Running on OnePlus 13, this phone brings a ton of new features. OnePlus 15 is designed for speed and smoothness with better multitasking and redesigned notification center and even powerful privacy controls. You have got deeper customization option for the user interface, enhanced app permissions and improved system wide dark mode. Plus the performance enhancement in OnePlus 13 makes sure this phone feels fast even with intensive uses. So the final thoughts. This OnePlus 13 flagship, the phone for you. Let's break it down. You are getting a stunning display, solid performance with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and a huge 6000 mAh of battery with fast and wireless charging. The camera system is decent but might not blow you away compared to other flagships in the same price range. Overall, it's a great option for users who valued battery life, display quality and high-speed performance. What do you think about this OnePlus 13 flagship? Is it worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell for more tips, reviews and unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.